Welcome back to Suntop channel. Today, we're super excited to introduce you to an amazing product, the Air-Cooled Laser Welding Machine. Look at this sleek and lightweight machine. It's designed to be highly portable, weighing just 39 kilograms. With its air cooling system, it can maintain stability and performance during operation, making it perfect for mobile welding operations. This welding machine comes embedded with 24 preset modes. These modes are tailored for various materials, be it metal, alloy, or even some special materials. For beginners, it only takes 30 minutes of training to be able to operate this welding system, all thanks to these preset modes. The welding seams are not only strong but also look extremely neat. The preset modes also include wobble parameters. Even if your workpiece has some irregularities, this machine can still produce excellent welds. This machine has an added advantage. You can create and store additional process modes for different materials and thickness combinations. Thanks for watching.